This is my workstation. I'm using this tabletop from IKEA. The legs is also from IKEA. And this drawer right here is also from IKEA. And today I'm going to give a little upgrade to my workstation. I'm going to swap out my desk to this standing desk from Fellows. Let's get started.